Hey, what up, what up? By request, Mau. This recipe is for you, caldereta. So first, we need to tenderize the beef. This is beef ribs. So you need to chop it like this size. So yep, we will put this beef. Yep. So if you have a pressure cooker, much better, because you can easily tenderize the beef, but you need to add some ingredients while tenderizing it, like this anise. Yeah, and then garlic and onion. So this one, I crunch it. This is adding some flavors. So I will put some bit of onion and a bit of garlic. So that's it. And a bit of salt, rock salt. That's it. So yeah, while tenderizing this beef, we need to ready our ingredients, which is bell pepper, Mamacita caldereta mix, garlic, onion, anise that we put, potato, carrots, liver spread. This one is Lawrence Patis fish sauce. This fish sauce. The one fish sauce. And then the soy sauce. And also some pepper. And a bit of salt. And a bit of brown sugar. So a little bit sweet. So we need to make sure that's a little bit sweetness on it. So yeah, wait for a minute. One more ingredients that I think that I need, and here is the last ingredients: tomato ketchup. All ingredients is ready. So that's it. So yep, as you can see, this is the beef blood. Need to remove those beef blood. Only the bubbles. See the bubbles? You need to remove those. So yeah, as you can see, no more bubbles. Leave it there. Okay, so I forgot. So I remember now. The extra ingredients is this one is cornstarch, and I put water on it, and I put the powder and also the peanut butter. So that's the complete ingredients. So later I will show you how to put those ingredients. So yeah, I'm done tenderizing the beef. So now I put it there on the pot, and this is the soup for this one. So I remove the soup there. So now I'm preparing to saute the ingredients. So yeah, wait for a moment. We'll put some oil. So yeah, so I will put the oil now. Hold it. So the one that we left, so garlic and onion, make it warm, you can feel it. So once warm enough, garlic and onion. A little bit toast a bit the garlic. Then we need to put the meat. Okay, so this one is the tenderized beef. And we need to put the this one, the fish sauce, Lawrence Patis fish sauce. So that, just like that, fish sauce. So yeah, once you put the fish sauce, mix it. You will smell the smell of the fish sauce. So yeah, cover it. Just leave it there for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So the flavor will mix inside, sip into the meat. So yeah, so I put the pepper and the rock salt. Pepper, rock salt, and I will put this one. Oh, it's hot. Ouch. Still hot. Well, so as you can see, level of the meat that you put. So if your meat is many, you put as the same height of the meat. So yeah, that's it. Then cover it, put the lid, boiled maybe 2 minutes. Once the soup is boiling, we will put the this Mamacita's caldereta mix, and after that we will put some tomato sauce, a bit of soy sauce, and half 2 tablespoons of liver spread, and 1 tablespoon of peanut, and just a bit of this one to make creamy, because this one makes your soup become creamier. So yeah, then after that I will put this one first, and then this Mamacita. This one is later. So yeah, as you can see, it's boiling now. So I need to put now the carrots and potato. So put the lid. Next, this one. So yeah, I will put now the Mamacita caldereta mix. This one is good for 1 kilos of beef. So if you will make 2 kilos beef caldereta, so you need to buy 2 of this caldereta mix. So this one is good for 1 kilos. Kilo. So yeah, put the lid. Yeah, so I will put now this pepper, bell pepper, red or green. It's either green or red or yellow. Yeah, so now it's boiling now, as you can see. So we will put the liver spread, the peanut, and a little bit of tomato sauce. Okay. So yeah, 1 tablespoon of liver spread. So yeah, 1 tablespoon I think is enough for the for this 1 kilos beef. And 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. You can see the soup is not red because we don't put tomato sauce yet. A little bit color. We need a color and a taste of tomato. So that's why we need to put a bit of tomato sauce. So yeah, here's the tomato sauce. Make it a little bit red on the sauce. Woo! Yum! It's a yum, my man. It's a yum. So yeah, upon tasting, there's no need to put the brown sugar. So because of the peanut butter and the liver spread, it's become there's a taste of sweetness on the peanut. So maybe the peanut butter, the one that I use is there's a sweetness on it. That's why it tastes sweet already. So just a pinch of sweetness is good. So it's either you want some chili, so you will put some chili, ground chili also if you want it's become hot. So yeah, it's depend on you on how you will taste it. If you want hot, yeah, you can put it. So yeah, I will put now the a little bit of soy sauce, just a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, the color is changing, Yeah, after I put the cornstarch, as you can see, it's become creamy. So that's it. All good. Bye bye.